In the previous movie, we created 3 basic custom post types, but as you saw, when we went to WordPress admin, when creating a new post under them, the text displayed inside WordPress still calls all of them just post. Though this doesn't look like much right away, it's a bit sloppy and it can also lead to confusion. After all, when you click Add New under Recipes, why does it say Create New Post? Fortunately, we can fix all this with a few more lines of code in our function. Each of the custom post type definition functions can have a variable called labels. This is where we put all the labels for our custom post type. This variable can take an array of labels, so we're going to create a new separate array and then call it from within the function itself. If you go to your code snippets, you'll see here under 3.3, there is an example of a new array for recipes. It starts with recipe labels and then it goes down to this end bracket. So if you copy this, go into your post types, scroll to the top, and find your arguments for the register post type, and then paste in the new array directly above it. We now have an array we can call from inside our basic function to display all the information about the content. If we look at this array, you'll see we have more specific definitions about all the text. We have the name of the post type, recipes, we have the singular name, recipe, and these correspond to the previous label and singular label. We also have the text for all items, so it says all recipes. We have add new recipe, we have edit item, we have new item. This stuff just makes it clearer inside WordPress admin what is going on when you're working with the recipes. So how do we activate this array? Well, first, we should take out this singular label because we already have it repeated up here. So I'll take that whole line out. And then instead of saying label, we'll say labels and call the array. The array is called $recipe labels. So that's what you put in. And when we now save the posttypes.php file and go back to WordPress admin and reload, you'll see a subtle change. We now have all recipes under recipes, add new recipe, and in the actual single view, you see it says add new recipe rather than saying add new post. We can do the exact same thing for photos and videos. Just because it's a lot of code, I've created it for you. So what you can do if you don't want to do this manually is simply go to the code snippets, find it where it says full code for posttypes.php, and copy all the code all the way down to the end of the PHP delimiter. Copy this, go back to the code editor under posttypes.php, delete everything, and just paste in this new content. When I save it, reload WordPress admin, we now have all the new post types. And as you can see when we open them, under photos, we have all photos, add new photo. Under videos, we have all videos, add new video. And when we select them, it'll say add new video here as well. Setting up the proper labels for a custom post type not only makes the post type easier to use, but also adds a new layer of professionalism to it. And as you've seen, it's easy to do, which is always a bonus.